What will be the prohibited keyword for content writing campaign? Like I read somewhere, if I use the keyword writing services, Google will suspend or stop showing my ads. I have never ever heard this, that writing services is prohibited in Google Ads. So I'm not sure where you got this information from, or where or who told you. This is absolutely, you can absolutely run these ads and your account will not be suspended unless, I don't know what you know. I've not come across these. There are certain products like guns, drugs, and all those kind of stuff are prohibited, but not for writing ads in Google Ads. So you should be fine with that.